how do you zoom in and out in CapCut? So after adding your video to your timeline, all you need to do is click on your video and then place the playhead at the beginning of the video. So for example, if you want to zoom at a specific part like this one right here, you can place the playhead where you want to zoom. And what you want to do is click on the video and go to the basic tab under video category here and add a keyframe next to the scale and also add a keyframe next to the position. Now move to the part where the zoom should happen. So for example, this part here, and increase the scale to whatever you like, and also move the video to zoom on a specific part, for example, like this, and that should automatically add keyframes for the scale and the position. Now move the playhead again to the rest of the video, or for example, to a frame where that should get rid of the scale and the positioning. So for example, this one here. And all you need to do is reset the position and the scale to its default. So for example, here I'm gonna place it at 100%, which is the default. You can also type it here 100 and move the video to its default position as well. And that should add keyframes too. Now you're pretty much done. You can preview it by playing the videos. For example, I'm gonna play it from here and it should zoom automatically. As you can see, it zooms out as well. And you can adjust this by basically making the transition happen faster. So you can pick frames next to each other to make the zoom happen faster and zoom out quicker as well. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.